June 25, 2009. A date that echoes through music history. When news broke that Michael Jackson had passed away, the world stood still. Across continents, fans wept. Streets filled with candlelight vigils. And yet, what remained was not just sorrow, but a profound legacy of connection. Even before he turned 10, Michael Jackson had the voice of a generation. With the Jackson 5, his voice crossed oceans. And when he went solo, that voice grew into a force. Not just to entertain, but to inspire, to heal. Michael didn't just sing to people. He sang for them. Earth Song mourned for a dying planet. Heal the World called on us to care for one another. And Man in the Mirror challenged us to change ourselves first. Each melody carried a message. Each beat had a purpose. It was more than a song. We Are the World, co-written with Lionel Richie, became a global event. Over 40 top artists, one studio, and one shared cause. To fight hunger in Africa. The song echoed across borders, languages, and politics. It was proof that music could move not just hearts, but governments. In a world before TikTok and YouTube, Michael's dance spread like wildfire. Children from Brazil to Bangladesh mimicked his moonwalk. His style, the glove, the socks, the red jacket, became global fashion statements. And whether you were in Seoul, Nairobi, or Berlin, you didn't need to speak English to feel the rhythm. Michael's life was not without controversy. But beyond the headlines, he remained committed to spreading love, visiting children's hospitals, donating millions, and performing for peace. Even today, MJ fans in every country hold memorials, flash mobs, and tribute shows. Because what he gave them was more than music. It was belonging. Michael Jackson reminded us that we are all connected, not just by music, but by empathy, rhythm, and hope. Even now, his voice echoes in hearts across the world. Not as an idol, but as a reminder that one person can make a difference.